Today I am drawing a shoe. This is very easy drawing. You enjoy it a lot. The shoe is so beautiful. How many shoes do you have? Let's coloring in the shoe. I like coloring. Let's use the pink color in shoe. Do you wear shoes? I like this shoe so much. Let's use the blue color in shoe. Do you like this color? Let's use the orange color in shoe. Looks, it's so beautiful. Do you like this color? I like this shoe. Let's use the brown color in shoe.